What's up everyone, Rakim here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been 8 months since I started my teaching career here in America. It's been a crazy journey. There were a lot of things that I learned and I'm so grateful to everyone who's helped me overcome my fears, my homesickness, to my colleagues, to the Filipino community, and I'm just so happy that everything is okay. My family is okay back in my country in the Philippines. And if you want to apply, just comment down whatever questions you have and I'll definitely answer it if I have the knowledge and idea about it. So guys, this video is not really related to my application, but one of the reasons why I came here to the US and the background. So this is like a box that we send to the Philippines. It's like $120 to send it to the Philippines. We send like food, products, chocolates, perfumes, lotions, whatever the things we can buy here that we can send back to our country. So this video is, I just want to film this one because one of the reasons I went to America is I want to try this one. I want to trace my grandfather. My grandmother already died and my father as well. When I was born, my dad died because of leukemia. And my grandmother, when she was still young, she went to Manila. She met a military, I'm not sure if it was an American military or a German military that was based in the Philippines. And they dated and then they had a baby, which was my dad, but I was not able to know my grandfather. So now that I'm here in the US, I heard about Ancestry DNA. There are a lot of celebrities who were able to find their ancestors through this Ancestry DNA activation kit. So this is very easy to use. You just have to order it in Walmart. This is actually $120, but I was able to get it for only $70. There was a sale, so I immediately bought it last week on the spring break. So you just have to do is to activate the kit, collect your saliva, mail the sample, and then explore the results. And hopefully I'll be able to find my relatives and be able to meet them, because I think that's one of the reasons why I am here now in the US. So this is your guide. Okay, it's very easy. You can just download, and then this is the code for the activation, your unique activation code. This is also found in your tube. So I will be doing this today and see the results. Hopefully after 6 or 8 weeks after sending your DNA or your saliva.
Okay, so again, this is the kit, the Ancestry DNA Kit, guys. Now let's unbox this one and see what's inside. The first one, we have this little plastic, and the second one, the instructions. Very easy to follow. Again, you just have to download the Ancestry application. The third one is the container for your sample, and then the fourth one, this little box for your container later on. So again, let's count how many we have. 1, the instructions. 2, the container. 3rd, the little box. And 4th one, this plastic. So now let's read the sample, or let's read how we get the sample. Again, guys, download the application, activate the Ancestry DNA Kit by getting the number or the activation code from the box. And then after that, you will get your profile on the Ancestry DNA application. So now I'll be getting my sample, and a reminder again, you are not allowed to drink or eat 30 minutes before getting your sample. So make sure you don't drink or eat 30 minutes before getting your sample. Now I'm putting my sample, or let's say my saliva, on the container. There's a line that you should follow. Don't put too much, don't put too little. Okay? Just follow the line. And then that container also has a blue liquid that you will be opening at the top. So you have to remove the top of this container and replace it with another one, which is the blue liquid. So they will use that. You will mix it with your sample, or the blue liquid will be mixed with your sample or your saliva, and then we'll shake that later on to make sure that it mixes with the sample. Okay, now I got the right amount of my sample, and I am replacing the top part with the blue liquid. Okay, so I'm reading the instructions while doing this to make sure I don't miss anything. Okay, so now I'm shaking the sample and the blue liquid, making sure it's locked tightly. Now I'll put this on this plastic, removing the adhesive, and make sure it's securely taped or locked. Then after this, you will put it inside the box. Guys, you don't have to pay for sending it back because it is included when you order the kit. The fee for sending it back is already included, so you don't have to pay anything in PO box or in USPS. Just hand it over there, that little box, and they'll give you a receipt showing that it's already been paid. Okay, so just keep that receipt as well.
So guys, that's it. Again, this is the Ancestry DNA Activation Kit, how to use it. And I hope if you're finding your relative, you find them through DNA, and not only Ancestry but also other companies who offer DNA testing, so that you'll be able to, complete your identity. And it's very hard growing up not knowing where your family was, what happened. I mean, there's that void that needs to be filled by those family members or those relatives. So, wish me luck. That's it. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below so that I can also give my support to your channel. Bye guys.